Ready to turn static maps into breathtaking motion graphics? Let's dive into using Geolayers 3 in After Effects to create dynamic map animations. First, make sure you have Geolayers 3 installed and After Effects open. Go to the window menu at the top. Then scroll down and find Geolayers 3. Click it to open the Geolayers panel. With the Geolayers panel open, click the New Map button to create your base map composition. This will automatically generate a new composition with your map ready to go. Now, use the search bar in the Geolayers panel to find the location you want to focus on. Type in a city, country, or region and select it from the search results. Next, explore the Features panel here. You can customize what elements are displayed on your map. Toggle on and off roads, buildings, labels, and other points of interest to tailor your map's appearance. Time to add some depth. Geolayers 3 allows you to extrude map features like buildings. Select the buildings layer and adjust the extrusion settings to create a 3D effect, making your map pop. Let's animate. Use After Effects keyframing capabilities to animate the map's position, zoom level, and rotation. This will create smooth transitions and dynamic movement within your animation. To enhance your map, you can integrate data visualization. Geolayers 3 allows you to import data and visualize it on your map using charts, color coding, or other visual elements to represent your information. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Geolayers 3 into After Effects to create a dynamic map animation. Experiment with different features and data to bring your motion graphics to life.